of International Relations. Thank you, Excellency. Minister of Interior.
Please have a seat.
Well, we have come here, a delegation of two ministers from South Africa, myself, Minister of International Relations and Cooperation, and our senior minister, Minister Dr. Dlamini Zuma, who's our Minister for Home Affairs, and our delegation. We came here as special envoys of His Excellency President Zuma to His Excellency the President of Tunisia. We have brought a message of goodwill, of commitment to the partnership of building these two nations in transition and sharing from each other's experience on how further to intensify democracy, but also to strengthen institutions of a democratic state. And we have committed to working together in that regard. We also remembered that it was here in this country, in Tunisia, that South Africa was first formally accepted in the family of the OAU. At that time, the states and people of Tunisia received South Africans who were coming to the OAU meeting for the first time. Historically, South Africans got support from people of Tunisia, starting from our forebearer, O.R. Tambo, during the struggle against apartheid, and this we remember very well. His Excellency, the President here of Tunisia, also reminded us of his fond memories of his interaction with the father of our nation, former President Mandela, and it is this people-to-people relations that give us further impetus to strengthen our ties. And we also wanted to convey the message to President here in Tunisia that President Zuma had requested us to also convey our wish to get the support for the South Africa's candidature for the AU Commission Chair, and we are talking to all countries, but we are also quite optimistic but also gratified with the positive feedback we got from the government through His Excellency the President here for our candidature. Merci.
Thank you.